Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete a collection on TikTok. So first of all you need to open your TikTok app and go for your profile, and you can see this is your private videos, this is your reposted videos, and here your post videos, and after that you can see all of your collections. So you have to choose which you wanna delete. So if I choose this one, after that you have to go for this share or arrow option here, click on it, and you can see here delete option, delete collection. So you have to click on it and just click on delete. So your collection will be deleted. So this is how you can delete a collection on TikTok. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.